Are you getting the your operating system version is not supported error while trying to launch the Modern Warfare 4 beta on PC, along with a message recommending Windows 10 version 1909 or newer? In this tutorial, I'll show you several effective methods to fix this compatibility error and get Modern Warfare 4 beta running properly.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Locate Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click on Download Now. Double-click the media installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition, and then press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Select your download folder. Name the file Windows 11. Press Save. Wait for Windows 11 to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 file. Double-click Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Wait for Windows to update. This might take a while. Press Accept. Select to keep your personal files. Press Install. Wait for Windows 11 to be upgraded to the latest version.